Great morning, everyone. I hope you all are fit and fine. So today we are going to explain about the sentence. What do you mean by sentence? Sentence, it's a group of word. It's a group of word. Like I am writing, he writes a letter. In this sentence, subject is given, verb is given, article is given. Means it's a object. Object is given. Verb, subject, verb, object. So group of words is called sentence. और sentence होता क्या है? Sentence can be statement. Sentence can be request. Can be command. Sentence request भी हो सकती है, command भी हो सकती है, question भी हो सकता है, statement भी हो सकती है. It can be command, statement, question, etc. So sentence is a group of words. Now let's come to the type of sentences. There are 4 types of sentences. First, assertive and declarative sentence. Means whenever we are telling something to someone, हम किसी से कुछ बात कर रहे हैं नॉर्मल, डिक्लेयर कर रहे हैं, telling, we are telling something to someone. It's called assertive or declarative sentences. Suppose I have written a letter. He writes a letter. He writes a letter. Then it's declarative or assertive sentences given here. There are many examples of assertive sentences. He eats banana. He likes mangoes. ठीक है? He waters the plants, etc. These are the assertive or declarative sentences. Let's come to the interrogative sentences. अब interrogative sentences क्या होते हैं? Who wrote this letter? Whenever we are asking question to someone, जब हम किसी से क्वेश्चन पुट कर रहे हैं, इंटेरोगेट कर रहे हैं, then it's interrogative sentences. When we are asking something to someone, जब हम किसी से कुछ पूछ रहे हैं, it's called interrogative sentence. Now number 3, imperative. Imperative sentence क्या होता है? Request, order, command, कुछ मांगते हैं, go, sit down, come, read this, do it. Whenever subject is not given, जिसमें understood subject होता है, these are the imperative sentence, जो request को, command को बताते हैं. Now exclamatory. Exclamatory क्या होता है? Whenever we are showing our expression, जब हम on the spot expression show कर रहे हैं, how the beautiful picture is this, wow, this is a lovely picture. So these type of sentences are exclamatory. In exclamatory sentences, we have to put a sign of exclamation. Okay, so one by one we are going to do the types of sentences. First of all, we will do sentence type number 1. So sentence type number 1 is there. It's a assertive and declarative. अब होता है जो हमारा assertive और declarative sentence, which क्या होता है assertive sentence, which make statement, जो statement बनाए. So the knife is blunt. The knife is not sharp. जो affirmative और declarative sentences होती है, it can be negative हो सकते हैं, और affirmative sentences, it including assertive sentences. Okay, जो statement बनाते हैं, which make the statement, and it comes start from the capital letter and from the full stop. जो फुल स्टॉप पे खत्म हो जाते हैं और कैपिटल लेटर से शुरू होते हैं, एंड विच मेक द स्टेटमेंट ऑल्सो इज कॉल्ड अफर्मेटिव एंड डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस. मीन्स विच टेल अबाउट द समथिंग, जो कुछ बताते हैं, किसी भी इंफॉर्मेशन को देते हैं, इज कॉल्ड द अफर्मेटिव और असर्टिव सेंटेंसेस. सो आई होप यू ऑल हैव गॉट द अफर्मेटिव एंड असर्टिव सेंटेंसेस. सेकेंड वन इज देयर, इट्स ए इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. अब इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस क्या होता है? Which interrogate something, जो कुछ इंटेरोगेट करते हैं, जिससे क्वेश्चन पुट करते हैं. ये yes और no में भी होते हैं और WH वर्ड्स में भी होते हैं. कैसे? Can you read this letter? It's interrogative, simple. Helping verb is given there, and sentence is ending after ending the sentence. Question mark is given. It's a simple interrogative. Now some interrogative are there whenever we use WH word, like where do you live? It's a WH questions. Whenever WH questions are given and simple questions which are start from the simple helping verb and ending with the question mark, and in the second sentence WH word is given where and ending with the question mark. These are the interrogative question पूछ रहे हैं. First में can you read this letter? क्या तुम इस लेटर को पढ़ सकते हैं? In second, where कहाँ रहते हैं? There are two types of interrogative. Firstly, whenever we are giving answer with yes or no, and second, whenever we are using where, when, who, what, why, etc. These are the interrogative sentences. कि whenever we are asking something to someone, हम अब जिससे क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं in the form of simple helping verb like can, do, does, or in the form of WH word also. जैसे when will you come, where do you live. These are the sentences are interrogative sentences. So let's come to the sentence part number 3. It's a imperative sentence. And imperative sentences. What do you mean by imperative sentence? Whenever we are starting any sentence from the verb go away, verb is given here and there is no subject, means understood subject is given. It's imperative. हम डायरेक्ट इसको कमांड देते हैं, रिक्वेस्ट like do it, then open the door. These are the imperative sentence. Whenever subject is not given, understood subject is given. Understood as a subject and sentence is starting from the verb, first form of the verb, and it show the order, request, advice, you can do your work, कुछ भी हो सकता है. ठीक है. अब if I mention is study है, it's advice, order, it's also a advice, then it's a order. So these are the imperative sentences. Whenever sentence start from the first form of the verb, it's called imperative. Whether we are giving any command to someone, we are requesting something or something. So these are the imperative sentences. So there are some examples of imperative sentences. You all have got about the imperative sentences. Now let's come the last part is exclamatory sentences. In exclamatory sentences, what we will do?